Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I've been thinking of ordering from a local Korean restaurant some Korean barbecue, and to have that full or that complete Korean barbecue experience cooking at the table, I went and ordered this off of Amazon. This is AGNI portable gas stove, Tech Chef, I think that's how that's pronounced. 3.3 kilowatt super high power. But it's just a butane powered or fueled, sort of like a camping stove, and has a little electronic or electric ignition and creates a spark. And it's really easy to plug the canister in. It takes these canisters. I just ordered these locally. You can't get them off of Amazon. This particular one is Sterno butane fuel cartridge. I think it looks like it's almost the same size, or is the same size as a spray paint can. And the reason I ordered this one is it also has this plate, this cooking plate that goes on top of the stove. So Korean barbecue grill pan, and these are made in South Korea. I think I sort of paid a premium for these. Other stoves go maybe like $30 less. I don't know if that pan would fit on them. It might, but let's take a look at these. I already took them out of the box. So this is what the stove looks like. This comes off the burner here, this plate, and then this opens up, and the canister just locks in. It has a mechanism. It has a wheel that just has a magnet around it, and the top of this can is notched to line up with the tab, and the spigot there just presses into that valve. So I'll show you from the top. And when you go past the on setting, it makes a click that generates a spark. So it must be mechanically generated spark to ignite the butane at the burner end. So let me show you. The plate. This is the plate. It's the size. It's maybe about 12 inches across. It has these tabs with notches on them that fit on top of the burner here, and there's also a drain hole. It's convex or whatever. It's a little higher up in the center, and it has, I don't know if you can see, these spirals that lead out to the outer edge for the grease to eventually make its way to a drip hole here that you can have lined up off to the side. You can have like a little saucer there or something to catch the grease. So let me show you how this can of butane plugs in and how I ignite it. How you ignite this burner here. So just open this up. So there's the notch, and it's just a press fit. Lower the can into the compartment onto this little shelf here that lines the centers up here, and this ring has a magnet around it, sort of like a refrigerator magnet, and you just hold the face here, get some leverage, and you just press this in till you hear the magnet click as it connects around the lip of the canister. Close it up, and when you go past the on position, it makes a clicking sound igniting the burner. So you have to go past and it lights the burner. When you first hook this up, you have to wait, do it a couple of times. You'll smell the butane, but it has to go fill up that tube, that copper tube, to the burner before you get the right amount, I guess, to ignite. Let's do this a couple of times. Turn it back off again. And I don't know if the camera can pick that up. You'll see a little spark right there. There we go. And it turned on that time. All right, so it was a little temperamental there for a minute. On Amazon, there is a manufacturer's video showing adjusting this point here, this ignition point. You can't have it too close. So if it's too close, it won't ignite the gas. So I backed it off a little bit, and with just they show in the video using needle nose pliers, but I'm just using my fingers, and backed it off a little bit, and now it's pretty consistent. You can see there, no problems. So if you are having troubles and you do have that clicking, it's just a matter of adjusting the distance of this point from where the gas comes out on the burner here. So you can see it's pretty consistent. So go past the on, clicks, then back off to adjust your flame, and then off. Now remember to remove the canister after use. You don't want to store this with the canister in place, and it's just a matter of pushing it away from the valve and store this canister in a nice, cool, safe place away from children, of course. Not easily accessible. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and or comment. I need to practice some more with chopsticks.